Alright, so let's pretty much dive into it. So I'm gonna pretty much kick off where we should actually start. I'm not gonna, as I said before, I'm not gonna go over all of this information. I'm just gonna try and make this video as short as possible. So it's gonna want you to pretty much create this table right here in Access. So right now it's saying that you have this file, right, which we already went over. We have this product file. So we need to go ahead and kind of like scroll down here and kind of like use that file that we have to construct some data in Access. So it's saying that what we should do right now is going to access and create this table called t underscore product. So we're gonna do that by going over here in Access, and then we're gonna create a table. But before I go ahead and do anything, I'm just gonna rename my file so I don't mess up my starting file, right? So I'm just gonna go save as, and so I already know what it's gonna save as. So I'm just gonna go, and then I'm just gonna create a new folder somewhere. Actually, where am I? I'm gonna create it on my desktop. So then I'm gonna, oh yeah, oh look, I think I already have a file open for this. Okay, cool. So and then it's pretty much want you to name it. Also, what I forgot to tell you, that I have a cheat sheet that I prepare. So it's gonna want you to name a file this right here. At the time when I was doing this, my class was Thursday, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just do Thursday, blah blah blah. So I'm just gonna do that, just name it like that, bam, save. So there we go. Now I'm just gonna enable it because that's what we want. So now if we go back, actually let's go back to this instruction right here. So it's asking us to create this table, and it wants us to use these elements right here to create our table. Actually, this is the element right here, and it's want us to use pretty much this entity, and then add these little attributes also. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go here, and then we're gonna I don't want to use just the table because that's kind of like, I don't know, I feel like I get more visual if I use table design. So pretty much use your table design, and then as you can see around here, it wants you to for that it want you to put a product ID. So I'm just gonna copy and paste, and I recommend that you guys do the same thing too. Copy and paste that stuff, and the data type is auto number. So as you can see, this is auto number, so you select auto number, and as far as the description go, I'm just gonna copy the description just the same, just like that, and I'm gonna paste it in. So I'm gonna pause the video and complete all of this. You should do the same thing too. Okay, I just wanna come back to this one, and this is where I just want to come back to this one to make sure you guys know what's going on. So it said field size, right? So for each field size, you want to make sure in your database, this is where you'll find the field size. So for this one, it said 50. So make sure you're changing that to 50. Always watch for the field size. That's very important. And as you can see, it's text. We only have oh my god, why is it acting up? Okay, we only have short text, so you use short text. That's what you're gonna have. And then as for your description, same thing, just kind of like copy it and then just paste it. Alright, let me just complete this. Also, one more thing that I want to remind you also, additionally with the field size, it's asking you for the caption also. Make sure you put the caption also. As you can see right here where it said caption, this is the caption. Make sure you have the caption also, and make sure you have the description as well. So don't forget to do that also. Alright, cool. Alright, so there we have it. We complete all our little entities and attributes over here. So yeah, so pretty much if it should look identical. So make sure everything is matching up: product ID, product name, quantity per unit, unit price, unit cost, unit in stock, unit on order, record level, discontinued. And make sure for discontinued we have yes, no. So please click this stuff down here, choose yes, no. I always do that. As far as these stuff go, click on it, choose currency, make sure they're matching up, make sure that all of these are matching up. make sure all of these field sizes are matched up, making sure the caption are matching up. Those are very important part of what's gonna happen to this data. And then yeah, and then once you're done, so you're pretty much gonna just, you know, save this guy right here. And then it said they want you to name it. I usually just grab this right here just so I don't make any mistake. I love copy and pasting. I'm gonna grab that, I'm gonna copy it, Control C, and then I'm gonna Control V, make sure that's that, and I'm gonna hit OK. And what is this saying? There's no primary key. Yes, that's fine. It's gonna add a primary key. That's real cool. So yeah, and then and that's guy. Now we have our product table created. We're just gonna close this baby out, and then it's asking us right now to go and import the data. So what we're gonna do, be careful, we're gonna import data. So we're gonna import, we're not gonna export, so don't choose that. Alright, so we're gonna click this guy right here, and we want to append the data when we're doing this kind of stuff. So we want to make sure we append the data. Alright, so yeah, so we want to append the data. We don't want to make if you notice what it said, if the specified table does not exist, access will create it. Well, we already created a table. We created and we name it t underscore product. So that's what we want. We want to append it. So now we're just gonna pretty much browse, and we're gonna browse where we have our information. I have it over here in the public record, and it's pretty much coming from working file, and there it is, product table. We're gonna get that guy over there. We're gonna get it over there. Yep. Next, everything look good. Finish and close. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. And if we come over here, there we have it. You know, that's our beautiful data that we just import. That's all we need. And then as far as that goes, we're gonna take that information and sort it. So so yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.